Welcome back, everyone, and welcome to Drawing Mondays. So, revisiting that 100 somethings challenge. I owe you guys like 30 gizmos at this point, maybe even more. But it has been quite some time, and I haven't been doing them weekly like I promised, so I'm going to try to make up for that. I took the pages that I had and I actually put them into this little book, so I have each one saved inside of here from last time. So we have 11, and then we can actually come in and I'll continue to do this all the way through here. But to keep things short and simple, I'm going to time-lapse this as always. So I even incorporated the new pens, the art line, and the V-ball from our Scrawlrbox, even the Karen inks from Scrawlrbox, so that's great. We didn't have those last time. We will be sketching everything out with these pens. Focus, there we go. Alright. So we have a pen. Doesn't erase with the normal eraser, but it does erase the magical little eraser that's on the back. So I even have the 3 concept brush tip pens for the gizmo colors. We were using, I believe, the Sharpie fine liner before, but I'm also going to have the new V-ball pilot out just in case. And what else? Oh, and if we need any colors, I have plenty of different colors, from reds, greens, blues, to the Karen inks that I thought would be fun to incorporate, maybe play together, and these Micron and these fun rainbow colors. So we have plenty of stuff to work with. I'm just going to throw you guys into time-lapse now, and I will see you guys at the end. And now that I have my camera kind of figured out, as you can see, we have a lot better imaging. So let's do this.
Cannot for lives unseen look away from reality. Hide behind a mask, look confused when you're asked what you've done to help humanity. It's not you, it's not me, it's all together. Try to change all the harm we've done to ourselves, to the earth, to the voice not yet heard, to the world left behind our own.
Alright, so here's 20 and 21. Unfortunately, I'm out of time right now to do any more, but we at least got another 10 done. So, starting with our little school room, then a really funky merman gizmo. Then I decided to have him hanging off the G to make the I for the Z, and a pile of toys. Then for 15, he's a weird little gizmo butterfly, the flower. And 16 coming in, we did a golden giz, little trophy award golden giz. And keeping with that sculpture kind of idea, we came in and did an ice sculpture surrounded by food because that's Gizmo's favorite thing. Weird like mix of a Gizmo unicorn with one of those big Clydesdale horse combination. That just came out weird. Good times. Changing it up completely, I decided to throw him into like a fiery Gizmo made out of fire. We have like buff gym workout giz. And going opposite side, we have our little chef giz. Next Monday, I'll continue on with the drawing something, and I'll do these throughout the week, filming them, that way I have more time, so I can come in and we'll at least have 20 to 30 in the next time lapse so that you guys can watch get drawn. But for now, hope you guys enjoyed. Welcome back to the 100 Somethings Challenge. If you guys haven't seen the previous videos, I'll put a link in the description below, and you guys can go check out what the 100 something is. I'm not going to get into a lot of detail in this video, but check out the other video if you guys are interested in knowing what the 100 somethings is. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys tomorrow for... oh yeah, we're doing our pen review tomorrow, so that's exciting. And until then, have a good night. Bye!